is for apple, so crunchy and bright. B is for ball, bouncing with delight. C is for cat, purring with glee. Learning's fun, come along with me. D is for dog, wagging its tail. E is for elephant, never failing. F is for fish, swimming in the sea. Kids learn ABCs with fun and glee. G is for giraffe, reaching so high. H is for horse, galloping by. I is for igloo, icy and cold. J is for jellyfish, stories untold. K is for kite, flying so free. L is for lion, roaring with glee. M is for monkey, swinging with joy. N is for nest, cozy and employ. O is for owl, wise and so bright. P is for penguin, waddling with delight. Q is for queen, regal and fair. R is for robot, beeping with care. S is for sun, shining so bold. T is for tiger, stories untold. U is for umbrella, keeping dry. V is for violin, music so high. W is for whale, swimming in the deep. X is for x-ray, secrets to keep. Y is for yellow, sunshine so bright. Z is for zebra, black and white tonight.